This is what so many people have been waiting for, and we get emails on this. When is your cycle analysis workshop special going to come? Well, this is it. And we're going to offer this special a little bit differently than we ever have before. You're going to learn my method of analysis, which has been taken on by the other experts in our askSlim team, and this is what I have developed over nearly 50 years in the market. It took me a couple of years to write this and over 6 months to produce, and we keep adding to it. There's 24 video modules, plus many tools for text videos connected to this. You're going to have weeks and weeks of viewing to do, and you're going to learn so much about cycle analysis and the markets. This is online lifetime access. You invest in this, there's no special platform required. You're just going to be able to watch the videos and learn. And you're never going to look at charts the same as you did before. This is going to improve your directional decisions and your projections in both time and price, as you see us doing here on the team in our big universe of stocks, ETFs, and futures that we look at, plus a bonus that we have never offered before. I read The Profit Magic of Stock Transaction Timing, the Bible written by JM Hurst almost 50 years ago. And the work has evolved from the work he has done, and you've seen the quality of the analysis we bring. Well, I have over this last years looked for these things to be available because this book has been out of print for decades, and I keep buying used books when I see them available. We're going to give the first 25 people that invest in the Cycle Analysis Workshop a copy of this book. Now, some of them they're all used, and they're, figure 30, 40, 50 years old. So they're not perfect looking books, but it's been hard to get them, and I've done what I could to collect them. So we're going to send you one of these books for subscribing to this workshop. Also, as a bonus that we have never done before, we are going to give a 30-minute trading session to everybody that does sign up for this workshop, and a member of the askSlim analytical team will be able to meet with you for 30 minutes and answer your questions and help you with looking at some of the analysis you've done, or maybe doing some teaching around part of cycle analysis. Both of these bonuses are worth $400, and we're giving $400 off. So the special is $400 off just $897 for this amazing workshop. Literally, you could pay $5,000 for something like this somewhere else, but we don't want to do that. We really want you to learn. $897, and the first 25 are going to get a copy of this book. Go to the top of askSlim.com and watch the video that's in the workshop section, or just sign up. On the workshop tab, you'll see the ability to watch a video that gives you some idea on what cycle analysis is about. That's free, or you could just sign up. $897. Questions, write to Matt at askSlim.com. Don't miss the opportunity to get one of these books. So hurry up. First 25 gets it. That's it. Cycle Analysis Workshop. Go there right now.